Hello there, America. This right here is your old pal, Purple Jiggly. Folks call me Purple Jiggly because I'm usually wearing something purple. And because I'm a great big fat sumbitch, I'm awful jiggly. Today, it's a beautiful day. It's going to be a perfect day to go to the beach. Now, your old pal Jiggly has a checklist that he goes through before he goes to the beach. Got to have something purple. Check. Got to have some bitchin' shades. These are totally bitchin'. Check these bad boys out here. There we go. Check that out. Yeah, boy. Cool. Got the shades. Got the waterproof phone bag there. Got the old beach towel. Got something to drink. But by far, the most important thing to take to the beach on beach day is a killer beach bod. Yeah, check this out. There we go. I'm gonna do some flexing for you there. Now this is a lot of acreage here, and I like to keep it from being sunburnt because Jiggly don't like no sunburn. So we're gonna cover it with some sunscreen. Now it's a lot of acreage here, and I find that the best method for applying sunscreen to that much man meat is paint roller. There you go. Yeah, boy. Get some up and down the arms. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Now the most important part, you gotta get under the man boobs. You gotta lift them bad boys up. There you go. Get some more on there. Don't forget the back of the neck. That's important. There you go. Your old pal Jiggly's nice and covered. The acreage has been protected from the evil rays of the sun, and I'm ready for this here beach day. I'm hoping that you guys at home are having a good day, and as always, we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.